Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 Signature. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and has rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine, gives you 82 horsepower, it's done under 10,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.